This one is good, fully capped. Send that one through, the color is perfect.
Looks like the uncapping rate is holding steady at 98%. Good. The new blades are making a difference.
Instance. Large stainless steel centrifugal extractors spin the honeycomb frames at high speed. The powerful rotation foundations. Raw honey passes through multiple fine filtration systems. Special filters remove tiny wax particles. The refined honey travels through advanced pasteurization equipment. Carefully controlled heat removes unwanted microorganisms while preserving flavor.
The honey passes through ultrafine filters one final time. Tiny remaining particles are removed to create crisp.
Automatic capping machines tightly close every honey bottle. Tamper-proof seals are applied for product safety. Vision cameras inspect every cap and seal position.
Automatic palletizing robots lift honey cartons with precision. The boxes are arranged into stable layers on large runs. Digital warehouse systems receive customer orders worldwide. Automated conveyors collect the required honey packages.
Here. The massive factory gates open as fully loaded trucks exit the facility. The vehicles carry thousands of bottles of premium pure. Distribution centers receive the packaged honey shipments. Workers organize bottles onto shelves and storage systems. Automated inventory machines track every product movement.